Hello there, guys. I just wanted to update you a minute, and we're just talking for a minute. This is not like some kind of official video. It's just me talking to you guys because I've had so many people comment, so many people direct message me, so many people private message me, whatever you want to say, saying, hey, Jeremy, are you still invested in GoPro? Are you selling? You know, because GoPro's stock price, for you, those of you guys who don't know, it went from about 17 to now about 13 in a matter of a week or two. So a big drop in stock price in a very short amount of time. So people have been asking me, what do you think? Are you still confident in GoPro? This and that. Did I sell them all? No, absolutely not. I'm as confident as ever in GoPro. I am at the point where I wish I had a lot more money to funnel into GoPro stock right now. Unfortunately, I don't, because I spent a lot on my business and business equipment over the last month. So I don't have a bunch of money to throw at GoPro right now. But I can tell you damn well, if I had the money to throw at GoPro right now, I would be buying shares like left and right at these type of prices. $13? Are you kidding me? I am so confident in GoPro more than ever. There's basically been no news that's come out that's pushed the stock from 17 to 13. There was a thing about Amazon. And in my opinion, that's kind of a good move by GoPro. They said that GoPro wasn't really selling into Amazon. Well, here's the thinking behind that. Amazon could have been doing one of two things. Amazon could have been wanting a super cheap price to pay for the GoPros that GoPro wasn't willing to do. That could be a possibility. I don't think that's the thing that happened there. What I do think is the thing that happened is I think Amazon wanted to sell it for a much cheaper general selling price than what other retailers are selling it for. So the Hero 5 Black is $399 no matter what retailer you go to. I think what Amazon wanted to do, maybe they wanted to sell it at $379, $389, $369, something that undercuts the entire market and undercuts all other GoPro, I guess you could say consumer companies, you know, Best Buy and Target and Walmart and all these other places. So they might have been wanting to undercut them, and plus then they undercut GoPro at that price because GoPro sells for $399. So GoPro might have been like, you know what, screw you guys, we're gonna protect our margins on this. And you know what? If somebody wants a Hero 5, they don't care if it's from Amazon, they'll go buy it at Best Buy. They'll go buy it off our website. They'll go buy it from Target. They'll go buy it at all these different places. So we're not gonna let you guys do that, you know? We'll start shipping you in November or December or whenever, because we want our other customers to succeed, and we want to make the maximum amount of margin we can make. And obviously GoPro can only make so many units at a time, so maybe it was one of those things where GoPro would much rather sell it on their website than sell it to, because think about it, if you buy a GoPro camera on the GoPro website, you pay $399, all that money goes directly to GoPro. If you buy it from, say, Best Buy or Amazon or Target or whatever, they probably only paid $250 for that camera. So for every camera sold on one of those at one of those places, GoPro's only getting $250 around, roughly, versus getting $400 on their website. So what would you rather sell on? Of course, you're going to try to give yourself preference. And GoPro's really given Best Buy a big preference as well. Reason being is Best Buy did a lot of advertising for the GoPro products on their website. Like if you've been tracking this, you could have you typed in GoPro on, for instance, on Best Buy for months now. And it had, on the very first page, it had a picture of Karma. Well, not a picture of Karma, a thing saying Karma, and here's the Karma teaser video, and you could sign up for a newsletter right here. So by doing that, it gave GoPro a huge advertising reach that GoPro wouldn't have had otherwise. So GoPro is like, okay, initially we're going to give ourselves preference, meaning GoPro itself. We're going to give ourselves the most amount of cameras to sell possible, and we're going to give Best Buy the most amount of cameras to sell possible. Those are the two where, you know, they're focused on. So in my opinion, it's a good idea. And then when November and December rolls around, you know, GoPro needs to just focus on getting as many camera units out there as possible because they're selling like hotcakes. I've seen, you know, the Best Buy stores, from my understanding, they had a first initial big shipment 2 weeks before the product came out. Then the product went on sale and stores started running out left and right. The very next day, from my understanding, most Best Buy stores started getting them back in stock. So from what I've seen from tracking local Best Buy stores and Target stores and whatnot, they're selling very well. I see no reason why they will not be the best-selling GoPro camera by far, ever. I stick by my numbers. I think they'll sell 3 million plus units in this quarter, in Q4 that is. I think they're gonna sell 3 million plus units. We'll see if that's true. I think they will. I think it will be pretty easy as long as they can manufacture enough that they can get them out there and shipped and whatnot. So that's my feeling about GoPro. Nothing has changed about the stock price. I'm more confident than ever, and this should be a lesson to you guys. Don't, this shouldn't even have been a question. Like, the fact that I had so many people asking me about GoPro, and I know you guys care because it's my biggest investment. It's the #1 stock I talk about on the 3 stocks to buy video and whatnot. But short-term stock fluctuations, that should not like affect your confidence in the company at all. If GoPro was at $20 right now instead of $13, does that mean I'm like, oh my gosh, GoPro's the greatest thing ever? No, that shouldn't change my confidence at all. Whether it's at $13 or $20 in the short term, it doesn't change things. What matters is a year out, where's their stock price at? If a year out their stock price is at $13, then we got a problem. If a year out their stock price is only at $20, then I still got a damn problem. Their stock price better be $30, $40, $50 by that time. We'll see what happens. Anyways, I don't really like to do these kind of videos because I like to kind of keep this all in for the course of the month, and then in the 3 stocks to buy video, when it comes out in November, release it. But I had so many people commenting, direct messaging, that I figured I would just put it out there. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.